So you have a team of marketers and team of product people and engineers working in the same team. Like that was the best. Like the second best was when the product team and marketing team, or sub teams inside both, actually commit to the same goals. So joint outcomes. Like they also need to know where exactly is their contribution. But if only the contribution is defined inside their OKRs, that often leads to silos. And sometimes people going to one side in product and one side in marketing, even if they technically should come together, lead to something that blows up and when you join both outcomes. Like so that I would say is the third best, where contributions are defined. Like.